Jack, you can look now.
No, no, no.
What do I do?
Alright, hands out. Hands out. Hands out now.
Can I undo my mask?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You gotta hold her. You gotta hold her, Jack. She's gonna...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude!
Turn that light on.
Oh! Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
Hi, pretty. Rainbow queen.
Yeah.
Rainbow?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं सब लोग? मैं हूं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक और मैं यहाँ पे बना रही हूँ बटर चिकन। बटर में मैंने चिकन डाल दी, उसको सौटे करती हूँ और नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको दिखाती हूँ। बटर चिकन इज रेडी। यम 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 यम। Hello friends, I am here today at Target and I just want to show you one thing that over here in the United States you can find like made in, this one is made in Vietnam, but it just look like Indian or Pakistani dress. But I'll show you one thing over here. I really like this one. And in Pakistan, if you look for khadis and you know the kurtis, and this one is actually made in India. I don't know if I can focus this. Can you see that? But I really like this one. This top is really pretty. This is all in machine embroidery, and it's how much is it? $35, but it's a 30% off on till 12/17. So love it. And look at those jackets as well. These are also made in India, same brand. Even those brands are all same, and this is all embroidery, machine embroidery. You can see it's pretty. I had a similar jacket from Khadi like long time ago. I bought it. I don't have it anymore, but I love these. But again, it's like a, you wear oversized sweater on top. I love this dress. It's so pretty. It's a flannel material, winter type. Oh my god, I love this color. Literally it's looked like someone brought a material from Pathan Bhai and made this dress. It is so pretty, and all these colors you can see, and these are all made in India, made in China, made in India, but same company. They put a different label. I love this. The only thing, not bad. I think this one is $40. Not bad. I like this one too. Love green tops. ऑफिस में ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहती हैं, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हैं। 35 की होगी, 30 की है ये। And all the materials, regular t-shirt. I like this embroidery, the same brand again, made in India. Love that. We have this one I want to show you, and then you can pair it up with the cardigans, sweaters. Oh my god, that's a skirt. Very pretty. Not a lot of flare, but nice. And those are the workout. This one is maternity clothing and some discount as well. No, this is all maternity. Yes, that's all maternity. This is a clearance section. Love it. I kind of like having these small pouches. It's $20. Not bad. Sometimes they have nice. This is really nice. Like loungewear. It's like a robe. Very pretty. Then I'm gonna go. I am actually looking for something really special. So let's go and find that out. So these are the GoPro accessories. So this is for your head. This one is if you are in a dusty or underwater to protect your camera. These are accessories. This one is right now is $50, and I want to show you here is actually they have 8, 9 and 10 right now. This one is you're saving $70. On number 9 you're saving $50, and on this one is $150. So this is $349, $350, $350, 10. So let's see. Hi friends, so look what I bought today. So I got this GoPro 10, and with all these features you can see on this box. This cost me, there was a deal going on today, and it cost me $345 without tax. And obviously I needed the kit. It doesn't come with the kit. The kit comes, this cost me $50, and this is a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty. So that's good. It's kind of if you want to go swimming, so you can take this, and then these are the other one. You put it quick release clip on your head, and you know there's other things as well. Then obviously I need the card, memory card, and this one I spent at least, I don't remember, either it was $22 or $30. I forgot about it. I have the bill in my bag, so I'm gonna go and check it out how much I spent on it. But this is my GoPro, and I'll show you the adventure thing that I will be doing. So not only I got this, so like these 3 things, this kind of cost me $500, and I'll show you what I have to make the videos.